Hello stamping friends, it's Jessie with Clompin' Stampers. You may notice a pretty familiar backdrop right now. That's because I'm visiting my mom in Michigan. I had to escape that Georgia heat for a little bit, and I'm sure many of you understand that. So I am here in Michigan, but still bringing a card kit to you this month. And since it's July, we're actually going to be celebrating a little bit of Christmas in July. So the card kit that we are going to do today is called Cozy and Bright, and we are making Christmas cards. So let's turn this camera around and get into it. All right, so I am set up here with the Cozy and Bright card kit. This card kit, it comes with all the supplies to make 12 of the same Christmas card. So this one's a little bit different than the past card kits I've been doing because there's always been a few different designs, but this one, 12 of one card. And this card is so quick and easy to make. I think everyone's gonna love it. So I'm just gonna get started here. So we have 3 different punch outs that we're gonna do. We got this one for the greeting, we got an orange slice, and then we got a cinnamon stick. And then this stamp set is great. So there's we got 6 different greetings here, all holiday based. They're not necessarily just for Christmas. Like this one says, celebrate the season, all is cozy and bright. So if you don't celebrate Christmas yourself, this is still a great card kit that you could make because it's just about celebrating the holidays. So I'm going to stamp the celebrate the season on my little tag here. So I got my Stampin' spot. And get this on the block. Remember, all card kits do come with a block. So you don't need to have any other Stampin' supplies to be able to make a card kit yourself. So if you're looking at making your own Christmas cards this year, this could be the perfect card kit for you. All right, so there's my greeting. And now let's get this front assembled. So to do this, we actually get some stickers with this kit. So I'm gonna start with an orange slice sticker. Put him right there. And then I got dimensionals in this kit. So I'm gonna take my other orange slice and we're gonna pop him up with some dimensionals. Because we all love dimensionals. At least that's what my mother says. But what we don't love is how these pieces, backings get everywhere. But that's just the joy of being a card maker. All right, orange slice here. Next, we're gonna do the cinnamon stick, pop him up with dimensionals as well. But I have a little problem because the instructions tell me I'm supposed to use my twine and wrap a little bow around my cinnamon stick, and I don't do bows. But you know who does? Mom! Can I get your help?
Jessie.
All right, everyone, I have a special guest with me today.
Do I always have to help you?
Yes, I don't do bows.
And what does this do? Just wraps around?
Yeah, the instructions are showing just to wrap it around, tie a cute little bow right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll show you how to do it. How's that?
It doesn't mean I'm going to do it.
Leave yourself enough. This is a little excessive, but it does help the more you have.
Okay.
And so we've wrapped it around. And then remember when you learned to tie your shoes?
It's been a few years.
This one's kind of curly. So we're just going to tie a little, there's your first loopy knot. I got it way too long. So and then I just hold my finger there. One, right? What was that? The bunny ear, and you wrap it around and
grab the other ear, something like that.
And then just pull them to how you want them and trim off the ends. And there is your little bow with your linen thread.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
All right, so now that we got our bow on, we'll secure that on with some dimensionals as well. So, all right, the one lucky person that gets this Christmas card for me this year will get a bow. The other 11 of you are not getting bows. All right, so with this one then, we kind of just get to tuck him in. I'm gonna go like that, put him on top. There, now we got our cinnamon. Gonna take my greeting, and again, we're just building with dimensionals. We're gonna give a lot of pop, because when we have these simple cards, dimensions go a long way. In this one, I wanna make sure to put my dimensionals more on the side here, because it's gonna hang over. So we'll secure him about right there. See, how great is this card coming along? And the final step, we got some more stickers here, these little cloves. We'll just kind of tuck one in here and probably put one on top of the orange, like so. And there we have it. Is there any quicker and easier Christmas card we can make? I don't know how long this has been running. I had a little intermission with my mom there. But like I said, you can make 12 of these cards. That's all you need to send out for this Christmas. So easy. And then we still have these other greetings where I might now take the wishing you a Merry Christmas, stamp that inside because we don't like bare insides. So you can definitely match some of these greetings. Or my favorite, we got the Aren't You Glad It's Christmas. I think everyone loves a good pun like that. And there you go. So this is the Cozy and Bright card kit, $23. Make 12 easy Christmas cards. I think you would all love this. And it's never too early to start thinking about it. So consider giving this kit a try. But that is not all I have for you today. There is another kit available, Christmas themed. And since it's Christmas in July right now, have you all seen this Love Santa tag kit? It's a perfect little addition to any gift tags, any packaging you're going to be doing this Christmas. So I want to quick show you how easy these tags come along. There's 4 different designs, 3 of each. So again, 12 tags you can make. And hey, Mom, do you want to help me out with this?
Sure, I would love to, since you're actually here at my house. You're doing awesome with your videos, Jess, and so I'm so proud of you doing videos,
thanks.
and I would love to do one with you.
All right, so give us a quick second. We're going to get the tag set up. All right, well, we are back, and we have the Love Santa tag kit set up. We're just going to kind of get at it. We're both going to do a different tag here, so you get to see 2 of them, because this kit does come with everything to make 3 tags of 4 different designs, so 12 total. And I'm sticking real bad right now. Okay, I gotta test that because that is a big, bold one, which is not my expertise. Oh, but that's pretty.
Perfect.
Oh, why did I test it? Now it's never gonna be that good.
I taught you well. So this would be a really fun kit to do with kids, grandkids, or just have a couple friends over and all make a set of Christmas gift tags.
Yeah.
So it's just... They're easy, they're fun. Oh, look at that. Good job. You want me to clean that for you?
Yeah, please, because you're next. You know, a kit only comes with the 1 spot and the 1 block, so we have to share here.
And I have the Stampin' Chamois here. This is a great way, easy to clean your stamps. Although I did get some blue from your ink. But you can just wipe it off like so. And then we'll take the stamp off that she was using because I'm going to use a couple different ones here. And these are all from that same stamp set. So a little trick, especially with larger stamps and a Stampin' Spot, is you can always ink them upside down. So I'm going to do that because this leaf is pretty big here.
You know, I've tried it that way, and I'm just not comfortable with
don't
it
like
for
that
some
way?
reason.
That's okay. Whatever works.
Everyone has their own ways to do it.
Exactly. So these 2, the holly berries, I guess, those were printed on the tag. But then with this kit, you get the fun of doing some stamping. So you get to put a couple of our little greenery, but they're blue, so call them
Bluery.
So we'll clean off this one. Now with these chamois, this one you can see is pretty well loved and used, but you can just rinse them off in your sink until that water runs clean and your stamps will get clean. I am a hot mess. Man, you're never going to invite me to do a video with you. You're done?
I'm done. I beat you.
You gave me the complicated one. No, it's not complicated. There's just a whole lot more.
There's more stamping involved with yours.
Stamping, so we're going to stamp Joy.
Yeah, which I stamped very off-centered.
That's okay.
Which is fine. But the nice thing is, because, you know, every piece has 2 sides. So if I cared that much, I could have flipped it over and done it again.
Okay, so for this, we're...
No green glue. Green glue does not come with card kits.
But I use green glue for everything.
But green glue doesn't come with card kits. You have to use the little dots that come with it.
Okay, we're showing them how... She's mean.
I mean, I am team green glue, but that doesn't come in a card kit. You got to do it the real way. Oh, gosh, she's not going to be able to do it.
My fingers are too fat. Actually, you know what? I'll show you a little trick with these little glue dots like this. If you pick them up with the point of your scissors, or if you have the take your pick tool, that'll work also. But but you can kind of scooch under them like that. See, this is why I'm team, oh my goodness.
I had no issues with them.
Well, you got skinnier little fingers.
I just want to make that known. It's not this difficult, everybody. Here, I'll take those snips from you, though. So while you try and finish that, I guess I'm not technically done because I still have to add my little string to it.
I thought you didn't tie bows.
I don't have to tie a bow here, though. So this one, you just gotta do like the little loop, stick it through. So all of these pieces, they were punch out. So you didn't see us do that, but everything got punched out. So very easy. Even the little loop to tie this through, it's just a punch out. I'm just gonna hook that through, pull it, bam. So now whenever I'm done with my bag or box or whatever I decide to wrap up and package it in, I'll be able to tie my little tag onto it.
Very cute.
You're still struggling over there.
I'm struggling with these glue dots. This is why I'm team green glue. These would be great tags, like if you just bought a package of the craft gift bags you can buy like at a craft store, the brown craft ones.
Yeah.
And then easy peasy packaging. Just tie a cute little tag. You can sign your name on the back of them. Ooh, there's little rhinestone things.
Yeah, I always forget the embellishments as they sit right in front of me. So we'll give Santa a little bling.
Gotta have some sparkle, especially when we're talking about the holiday season.
And then these are a little bit smaller ones if you want to do some size changes.
There we go. We'll stick one of those in there. And you might take your pick tool for this too. There we go.
And that's it.
So there's those two. And then ahead of time, Jessie made the other one. So you can see all of them.
Yeah, so here's all 4 of the designs that you get in this kit. And again, you can make 3 of each. So the Cozy and Bright card kit, we made 12 cards. With the Love Santa tag kit, we made 12 tags. So hopefully you got 12 friends and family members who get to enjoy all of these.
So hop on over to the website. The link is in the video description. And over there, we'll have pictures of all the projects we made, all the cards in these, and then information if you'd like to order any of these kits.
Yeah, so thank you everyone for watching. Thanks, Mom, for joining me and having me in Michigan with
Thanks
you.
for coming home.
So we hope you all have a stamp happy day.
And a happy holidays in July.
Yeah. Happy Christmas in July.
Happy Christmas in July. Bye, everyone.
Bye.